Today, I'll show you how to make this dissolving wave edge effect. Let me give you the conclusion first. It looks complicated, but it's really just one filter and one mask. The key isn't the filter, it's the two layers idea. One layer breaks, one layer stays clean. Let's go step by step. Start with an image. Press Ctrl or Command plus J to duplicate it. Why duplicate? Because one layer is going to get destroyed, the other stays clean, and at the end, we stack them back together. Turn off the top layer's visibility, tuck the clean layer away. For now, we'll work on the bottom one first. Now select the bottom layer, go to Filter, Distort, Wave. This is the core of the whole effect. There's no fixed value, adjust it freely. Wavelength controls how dense the drips are. Amplitude controls how violently the edge shakes. Pull the sliders, hit randomize a few times, and stop when you like the breakup. The randomness of this filter is the fun part. Once that's done, select the top layer and turn its visibility back on. Right now the clean top layer covers everything, so you can't see the damage underneath. Don't worry, the next step connects them. Press Ctrl or Command plus Alt or Option plus G to create a clipping mask. The clean top layer gets clipped right into the broken shape of the bottom layer. The edges are dissolved, the content stays sharp. The effect is basically there. Now let's make it more natural. Add a layer mask, pick the brush tool, and set the brush flow nice and low. Low flow is the key here. Don't paint it all at once, use very soft black, and gently brush along the border between the broken edge and the clean subject, so the two textures blend gradually with no harsh dividing line. At this point, the dissolving subject is done. The rest is turning an effect into a piece. Import a texture and set its blend mode to soft light. Soft light layers on light and shadow without covering the color, so the whole image instantly picks up a rough, tactile, quality, no more clean digital look. Add a grain layer and adjust the amount. Grain is the soul of this dark style. It gives everything that old print, old film texture, pulling all the elements together under one consistent surface. Finally, add some decorative type and you're done. A title, a frame, a few small lines of info, and the whole poster comes alive. The filter is the trick. The layering is the real craft. Once you understand this top preserves, bottom breaks, mask connects them idea, you can do far more than waves, swap in any destructive filter, and the same logic holds.